And that was Josie Talou defeating a lot of Jamaicans and a lot of Americans all at the same time. A big shout out to Josie Talou. What she did at the Jamaican Invitational was very unexpected. Like, I was not really expecting Josie Talou to be the winner of that race because of course we have Brian Williams and also other tough athlete, but it was very unexpected to see Josie Talou destroying the field with a time of 10.91 seconds. And here comes the news in details. So breaking news, Josie Talou Smith powered to a season best of 10.91 seconds to win the 100-meter women at the Jamaican Athletics Invitational in Kingston. She finished ahead of brilliant Crystal Slowly, who ran a personal best of 11.09 seconds, and also Kemba Nelson in 11.12 seconds. She beated this Jamaican athlete all in the eyes of their fans, and it was really very disappointing and embarrassing. Now let me remind you that Josie Talou was actually the one I voted before the race could begin that she is definitely going to win the race because she has a lot of potential, and I can't wait to see what Josie Talou, the African queen and the fastest woman in Africa, has for the Paris Olympic coming up this 2024. A big shout out to Cote d'Ivoire, a big shout out to Josie Talou, a big shout out to Africa, a big shout out to Jamaica. And in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe.